Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to fix your roper dryer. That is doing nothing. It won't do nothing at all. The door switch is good. You can hear that click. That means that's good. Sometimes these will go bad. I've bypassed this one, but that is not what the problem was with this dryer. This dryer has a bad timer. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Here's what you're going to need for this job: super glue, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a Phillips. First thing, take your 1/4-inch, take this back panel off, all these screws here, and I'll be back when I get that off. Okay, I got the back pulled off, as you can see, and here's your timer. We're going to go ahead and remove that. It's got two 1/4-inch screws, one here and one on this side. And of course we're going to unplug all the plugs, pull them loose, make sure you've got your dryer disconnected from power, and we're going to pull the knob off. I'll be right back. I'll get that pulled out. Okay, I've got the timer pulled out. All the wires are unplugged. Now let's take this timer and we're going to undo these two Phillips screws. That's what's holding this plate on. This is what we want to take off. We want to take this plate up. So we'll undo these two screws, and I'll be right back when I get them undone. Okay, I got these two Phillips screws undone. This is the timer motor. That'll just lift up. Now this is what we were wanting to come off. Just take this plate off. Now, I don't know if you can see. See this piece of plastic right here? It is broke loose on this timer. This is a big problem with Roper, Whirlpool, Kenmore, a lot of dryers. See how two of them are stayed on there? That's your cam. And what we're going to do, you want to remember which way this goes. You know, you don't want to get it backwards. This goes this away, this away, and I don't know if you can tell here. I'll show you where it's broke. Okay, you see this? See this little stopper? Right there. It is broke off of this one. See right there? It's gone. So what you're going to want to do, you want to get it and situate it back on to where it looks like this. So you can see the stopper on the back one, the darker brown, if that'll focus. The cream colored one in the front is broke. But right there, if you butt that up against that clear colored stopper. And what you want to do is super glue that right where it's at. I'm going to shut the camera off and super glue this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've let it sit and dry, and what I've done is super glued it at each point. Here, 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 here. Just run little beads of super glue on it. It'll last forever now. It will not break again, and this is going to save you a couple $100. Now what we'll do is put it all back together, and we'll be in business. I'll put this plate and stuff back on, timer motor back in, put the timer back in, do everything reversed how we took it apart, and we should be up and running. Let me get all this put back together and put everything back in, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, I got the timer all put back in the roper dryer here. Timer all put back in, all hooked back up. Put the fuse back here. Plugged it in. Let's see if it works now. You know, it wouldn't do nothing before. All right. That's what I like right there. So if you're a Kenmore, roper, Whirlpool dryer quits on you like this, you know, first thing you want to do, you want to check that. If you hear that click, you know that switch is good. Do a continuity check. Do a continuity check on your fuse right here, this white one. You want continuity between the two terminals. If you don't have that, it's your timer. All right, I hope this was able to help somebody, save them a couple $100. Most techs will not do this. They want you to buy a timer for a couple $100, or they want to sell you a whole new dryer. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.